People often ask me, what makes Camp Chateaugay unique? And I'm like, oh my gosh, there's so many things. But the first thing that comes to mind is just the absolutely gorgeous location. We're in the Adirondack Mountains. We're on a pristine mountain lake. It's just beautiful. It's second to none. I encourage anybody to try and compare their lake with ours, and it's hard to beat.
Cool.
We also have incredible staff. Our staff are some of the most intelligent, creative, thoughtful, enthusiastic, fun people you'll ever meet. We background check them, we train them, we do a great job getting prepared so that children can really become the best version of themselves. That's really the goal. I want people to come to Camp Chateaugay so they can go home a better version of themselves. It's really that simple.